Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at 10 amazing facts about cobras that you didn't know. Now, everybody knows what a cobra is, but very few people actually know some of the incredible facts surrounding these magnificent creatures. So, in today's video, we will be exploring those facts so that by the end of this video, you will be able to tell your friends and family all about cobras and how amazing they really are. So, with that being said, let us now begin with number 10. Number 10. They have a natural lifespan of 7 years. One of the amazing things about cobras is their natural lifespan, which is about 7 years in the wild. However, it has been noted that in captivity, they can live for even longer than that. The average length of life for any snake in general is about 20 years. But when you give them the right kind of care, the right food, the right kind of environment, snakes can actually live for even longer than that. In fact, there are instances where certain species of snakes have lived for more than 50 years. And since cobras are known to live in captivity, if given the right kind of care, they can also live for more than 50 years. Now, this fact just shows you that you should take good care of your pets, because if you do, then they can actually live for even longer than you would naturally expect them to live. No. 9. There are different types of cobra species. Now, most people think that all cobras are the same, but that is not true. There are actually a total of 365 species of cobra found all across the world. For instance, one of the most common species of cobra is the Indian cobra, and they can be found in countries such as India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Thailand. Then we have the Egyptian cobra, which can be found in North Africa. We have the Cape cobra, which can be found in South Africa. We have the Chinese cobra, which can be found in China, and many other countries as well. So basically, there are many different species of cobra, and each species can be found in different parts of the world. And each species also has its own unique name. Number 8. The name cobra was derived from the word constrictor. As mentioned earlier, there are more than 365 species of cobra, and all of them fall under the genus called Naya. But did you know that the word cobra was derived from the word constrictor? This was due to the fact that scientists used to believe that all venomous snakes were constrictors. Well, that may be true for some, but not all. Some snakes may be venomous, but they don't constrict their prey before swallowing it. Because of this, scientists had to come up with another name for snakes that were venomous but didn't constrict, and that is when they came up with the name cobra. So basically, the word cobra was derived from the word constrictor. Number 7. They mostly feed on rodents. When we talk about the diet of cobras, it is important to note that their diet depends on their size. Smaller cobras usually feed on smaller rodents such as mice and rats, while larger cobras can feed on bigger animals like mongooses, birds, other reptiles, and even monkeys. So basically, the size of the cobra determines what it will feed on. But generally speaking, cobras are known to feed mainly on rodents, and that is because rodents are abundant in almost every part of the world. So, wherever cobras are found, they can easily find rodents to feed on. Number 6. They have 2 hollow fangs. Cobras have 2 hollow fangs that fold flat when they are not in use. These fangs are located at the back of their upper jaw, and they are connected to poison glands. So basically, when a cobra bites someone, its fangs inject venom into the victim. And because their fangs are hollow, this makes it easier for them to inject the venom into their victims. And that is why it is always advisable that if you are bitten by a cobra, you should not try to suck out the venom, because this can actually push the venom deeper into your bloodstream, and this can be fatal. So basically, when a cobra bites you, you need to remain calm and seek medical attention immediately. No. 5. Their venom is dangerous to humans. Now, we all know that cobra venom is deadly, but did you know that it contains neurotoxins cytotoxin, and anticoagulants? Neurotoxins are substances that affect the nervous system of their victims, causing paralysis and sometimes even death. Cytotoxin, on the other hand, destroys the cells of their victims, leading to internal bleeding and organ failure. Finally, anticoagulants prevent the blood of their victims from clotting, which can lead to excessive bleeding. So basically, if you are bitten by a cobra, then you need to get treatment as soon as possible, because their venom can cause paralysis, internal bleeding, and even death. No. 4. They are responsible for thousands of deaths each year. Even though there are anti-venom injections available, there are still thousands of people who die from cobra bites each year. According to reports, over 20,000 people die from cobra bites each year. And this is due to a variety of reasons. For instance, some people may live in remote areas where medical care is not readily available. Others may be too poor to seek treatment, while others still may not be aware that they have been bitten by a cobra. Whatever the reason may be, it is important to note that thousands of people die from cobra bites each year. And this is why it is important to be aware of the dangers of cobras and to take the necessary precautions when in their presence. Number 3, they are excellent swimmers. Cobras are excellent swimmers, and this is due to their flexible bodies, which allow them to move through the water with ease. They are also able to stay underwater for long periods of time, and this allows them to hunt for fish and other aquatic prey. In addition, cobras are also able to climb trees with ease, and this allows them to escape from predators or ambush their prey. So, basically, cobras are excellent swimmers, and this helps them in hunting and escaping from danger. No. 2, they can spit their venom. Unlike most other snakes, cobras are able to spit their venom. This allows them to defend themselves against predators or ambush their prey. The venom is secreted from a pore located between the snake's eye and nostril. And when the snake exhales, the venom is expelled from the pore and propelled forward. This allows the venom to travel a considerable distance, and it also assures that the venom lands directly on the target. So basically, cobras can spit their venom, and this gives them an advantage when defending themselves or ambushing their prey. No. 1, they play a role in controlling rodent populations. As mentioned earlier, cobras mainly feed on rodents, and this helps them to control rodent populations. Rodents can be a major problem in many areas, as they can carry diseases and also damage crops. Cobras are able to prey on these rodents, helping to keep their numbers under control. In addition, cobras are also eaten by other predators, such as eagles and humans. This means that cobras help to keep the ecosystem in balance by providing food for other animals. So basically, cobras play an important role in controlling rodent populations and also in the ecosystem as a whole. So with that being said, let us now move on to the last part of this video. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, make sure to leave us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that you can be notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.